Hey, get away from me. What are you doing? Ah, you jerk.
Every once in a while, your bike's gonna break down. Let's say because you were attacked by a tree troll that stabbed a knife into your tube. Now, all you really need is one tool to fix this problem. It's not a tube. It's not a patch kit. It's not your multi-tool. Bike lever. I don't know why I have that. Definitely not the first aid kit. Ah, here we are. Cell phone. All you need to do is call your local bike shop and wait.
Hi, I'm just waiting for my bike to get fixed.
I'd like to order a pepperoni pizza for delivery. My location? Mountain. Nearest cross street is probably the Pacific Crest Trail. Yeah. All right, thank you. Bye.
Pizza.
Now with your bike fixed up, you're all good to go. Which way is the bar? I need a drink.